Good evening, everyone. This is me, Pooja Training Wali from Ryan AI Teachers Training Batch 21. Today, I am going to talk about an inspiring TED Talk that is Stop Teaching and Start Learning, presented by Maria Pian Javarial. Before I start my topic, I would like to give a short introduction of this personality. Maria Pin Javarial is an inspiring educator and well known speaker. He is known for his ideas on improving education system. He focuses on making learning more effective, more meaningful, more interactive, and student centered. Through his TED Talk, Stop Teaching, Start Learning, he encouraged teachers to guide students to understand concept rather than memorizing them. So now I am moving toward his presentation, and in this talk he explained about education system. He explained that what education system is and what it should be. He want to make some changes in our education system. He start his presentation by explaining that in many schools or in many colleges or in universities and educational institutions, teacher only focus on teaching lessons, and students are required to focus on memorizing information. But the problem is that students don't really understand what they learn. They only have a thing in your mind that we have to only study just to pass our exams, not to gain knowledge. So due to the focus of teachers on teaching lesson, so a student have also that mind that we have only learn to pass exam, and we have to memorize it till our exam, and after that exam we will forget it. So this is totally wrong system, and this makes our learning boring and stressful. Later on, he also give us a correct meaning of teaching and learning, and he also differentiate between them. He said that teaching means giving information, and learning means understanding and applying knowledge. He says that education is not about finishing the syllabus and taking exams and so on, but it should be make students creative, and it should make a student to thinking stage, that how they can be think and how they can be creative. According to him, a student should be active. A student should not just sit quietly and listen to teacher. Instead, they should ask questions. They should be active in the classroom. They should discuss and share their thoughts and explore their knowledge. So, a student should active. If they become active, they can learn much better. So his main focus was about that teachers should not just be a lecturer, they should be a good guider, good facilitator, and good mentor, because teachers' main responsibility is to help a student to understand, to clarify their concept, and to encourage curiosity and also support learning. He also emphasized that real learning happens when students do practical activities, when they solve real life problems, and when they learn by experience, because we remember more when do things, not just hear them. Suppose if we only hear teachers and we do not do it on our practical life, then we cannot remember it for a long term. We only memorize it till our exams, and after our exams we will forget it. So he also says about something about curiosity. He said that curiosity is very important, because when a student are curious about something, about knowledge, about getting something, then they will enjoy learning. They ask questions to teacher, they share their thoughts, their knowledge with their classmates, and so on. So, according to him, this traditional education system that occurring in our environment, it kills our curiosity, because in this education systems, teacher force student to memorize things, not to gain knowledge. So Mariappan believes that a school, or the owner of the schools, or the teachers or the instructors should focus on understanding, encourage the creativity of students, and also support critical thinking instead of only focusing on mark, grades, certificates, and so on. So, the main message of this talk is stay focusing only on teaching, start focusing on real learning. And according to me, this TED talk is very meaningful and inspiring for young generation, because it is totally based on education system, and he wants to make changes in our education system. I agree with Mariappan Jwarial talk, because many students study only for exams. They forget everything after their exams. So this approach can make our learning more interesting and improve our understanding, and build up our confidence. I think so. This idea of Maria Pen was very useful, especially in today's world where skills and creativity are more important than memorization. So, this was all about his talk that I explain in my own words, and I hope that you all will also follow his instructions, and become a good student, and a good learner, and a good teacher. Inshallah, we'll meet you in another session. Till then, Allah Hafiz.